What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this new knife that is the seatbelt cutter and just the overall cutting ability of it. So this knife has a lot of abilities, not as much as a multi-tool, but you don't want to always carry on a multi-tool. It has a really nice opening and closing cutting mechanism. It has a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. Also has a nice clip for you to easily clip on your pocket. This knife also comes with a cool zipper case for it. It has the AUBEY logo on it, and it has like a cool carbon fiber looking pattern. And so all you have to snugly into this little belt that it has for it. And the overall build of this thing is just really well made. There's no squeaking, no like spot where it's harder to twist or something. So a lot of knives have a button on top to close them. This one has a little latch that you just push over to the side so it's out of the way, and then it closes really easy. This thing is also really nice to be able to just stuff in your pocket really quickly. It has a little clip on it, and then boom, already on my pocket. You can also do that on a belt buckle or your jeans, but I'm not wearing jeans, so it just goes right into my pocket really easily. And overall, just a really good knife. If you want to buy one, the link is in the description below. Buy it.